How to set Telegram group as admin can only send message. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Click on the group. After you've clicked on the group, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on top of the group and your username, and then you'll find pencil-like button on top right. Scroll down till you find permissions. Click on permissions and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply turn off send text messages, send media, add users, as it is permission of what can member of this group do. After you've done that, simply click on tick button on top right corner of your screen. Again, click on tick button on top right corner of your screen and you're good to go. This is how to set Telegram group as admin can only send message. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.